Have you ever wondered what pH is and why it is important? Well, here's your answer. pH is a way of quantifying how acidic or alkaline a solution is. It's a scale not unlike the one you might use to measure temperature or weight, but this one goes from 0 to 14. 7 is smack in the middle, signifying neutrality. Anything below 7 is acidic, while anything above leans towards the alkaline side. Think of lemon juice. It's quite tart, isn't it? That's because it's acidic, with a pH hovering around 2. On the other hand, a baking soda solution is quite the opposite. It's alkaline, registering a pH of about 9, and the everyday water we drink, it's typically neutral with a pH of 7. So how exactly do we measure pH? The pH of a solution is calculated using a formula that might look a little intimidating at first glance, but it's not as complex as it seems. It's simply the negative logarithm of the concentration of hydrogen ions in the solution. These hydrogen ions are what determine whether a solution is more acidic or more alkaline. Take sulfuric acid, for instance. It's a strong acid, meaning it has a high concentration of hydrogen ions. A 1 molar solution of sulfuric acid has a pH that is extremely low, around 0. The pH of sulfuric acid can be calculated using the formula for strong acids. Since sulfuric acid is a strong acid, it dissociates completely in water. This means that the concentration of hydrogen ions is equal to the molarity of the sulfuric acid solution. If you have a 1 molar solution, then the pH would be 0. So, to sum up, pH is a measure of how acidic or alkaline a solution is, with 7 being neutral, values below 7 being acidic, and above 7 being alkaline. It's calculated using the negative logarithm of the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. Examples of this include lemon juice, which is acidic, baking soda solution, which is alkaline, and water, which is neutral. And strong acids like sulfuric acid have a low pH due to their high concentration of hydrogen ions. Understanding pH helps us to understand the world around us, from the food we eat to the water we drink and even the soil in which our plants grow.